and my daughter, Nima.
Yes.
She's going to play the keyboard. Anyway, what a beautiful weather, wonderful people. Tashi Delek. Pagelo! I want to thank everybody, and I'm going to sing a song which I think the whole world knows, the song called Imagine.
Wow.
The Tibetans, for the last 60 years, have been imagining that one day we will get into this gates of United Nations and join the brothers and sisters. And so this is a song, but before that, I want to say something which is very important. And in the crowd, I have many friends, but one friend I really like to say is my dear friend Franz Streigler of Young Gods, a great musician and a great heart, a very, a person like I look towards. And I want to say thank you so much for supporting Tibet. He's been supporting Tibet for the last many years. And so we begin the song for the freedom of Tibet. Imagine there is no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below. Above us only sky. Imagine there is no heaven, living for today. All I say, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine there is no country. It's easy, hard to think. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. All I say, No need for greed or hunger, a brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. I say, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one, and the world will be as one, and the world will be as one. Oh ya ta thiri dia ngatu sang betem je sang buchu ngatu sang doksa chiti na ro na ha kalo free Tibet free Tibet free Tibet.
Loten Namling là nhìn thằng bạn thu chân nó suy